of directors, welcoming on stage, of course, our Director of International Affairs and the Chairperson for Life Foundation, Dr. Connie Cabanto.
Yes.
And joining us as well is our visionary President and CEO. Let's all welcome Dr. Ed Cabanto.
Yan. Profit sharing na to. Isa sa mga highlights ng ating gabi.
Bonus!
Alright!
Bonus, maagang bonus.
Bonus.
Maagang bonus na. Wala pang December, may bonus na.
So hindi na natin patatagalin.
Of
Alright?
course.
Miko, tawagin mo na.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the two outstanding individuals who truly believe in their dreams and in their ability to fulfill their dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, we present our Profit Sharing Awardees.
Alright, may we call on? May we call on the stage, Ms. Maridel Avanzado and Albert Jasma!
Yes,
Yeah!
fresh from Bohol,
From Atomic International!
representing
Hyperloop System!
Mag-ingay ang mga Bisaya dyan! Grabe!
Alright!
Maridel Avanzado, Brad.
Yes.
Top 4.
So, sa mga hindi po nakakalam, Albert Jasma is our existing, current, top distributor, #1 distributor sa AC. And one of his lines under him is Ms. Maridel Avanzado is happens to be top 4 sa buong AC. Alright? Ayan! So, sige. Siyempre, unahin natin. Tignan na natin yung screen. Kayong dalawa, pwede na kayong tumalikod. Alright! Maridel Avanzado!
Eto na!
Ayun na!
Magagang
Okay,
bonus!
lalagay muna natin yan.
6 3 This is on top of the regular marketing plan.
Yes, oo.
Kinikita na napakalaki ni Miss Maridel.
Grabe, 1.9 million. Alright. Alright, thank you.
Wow!
Congratulations, Maridel.
Yes! Sino ang susunod? Mag-ingay! Ayan na. And of course, without further ado, tingnan natin ang susunod.
The next.
Profit Sharing Qualifier. Ayan na! Mr. Albert Jasma. 2 1 2 9 2 9 2
course, as usual, traditionally, asan ba yun? Ayan, no?
May call on here on stage. My partner, my wife, Angel, please.
Ayun, nandiyan pala si Doc Angel eh.
Doc Angel, join us on stage.
Ayan.
Ang wife and partner ng ating top distributor, Mr. Albert Hasma. Yes. Full support. Full support of Doc Angel. And of course, this time we want to hear a few message from our profit sharing qualifier, Mr. Albert Hasma.
Alright, good morning, AIM Global! Good morning, Marikina! Alright, una, gusto ko magpasalamat syempre sa ating Panginoon. Palakpakan naman ating Panginoon, lalo na mayroon tayong good weather ngayon. And of course, sa mga bumubuo ng ating pinakamamahal na kumpanya, Alliance in Motion Global, our CEO, Dr. Ed Cabantog, and of course, Dr. Connie Cabantog, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kay Sir John Aspirin, and of course, sa mga BPs natin, sa apat na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa lahat ng training team, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Alliance in Motion Global, sa buong management, and of course, sa ating lahat natin, ngayon palakpakan naman natin yung sarili natin. Goal niyo po bang magka-travel ng sa US na libre? Magkaroon ng profit sharing na milyon-milyon? Alam niyo po ba kung ano yung ginawa ko, bakit hindi man siya every year, pero almost every year, may bago akong goal na gusto niyo ba akong tanungin? Yes! Every time I achieve a goal, I always ask myself, what's next? Everybody say, what's next?
What's next?
Alam niyo guys, yung pag-hit ng US trip, hindi ko siya biro. Sa totoo lang, based sa qualification na binanggit ni Sir George kanina, aside sa kailangan ka mag-push ng sales ng products, you need to develop a new leg. Tama ba? Mag-develop ka ng leg at yun yung magpa-push sa akin para hindi mag-relax every year. So kaya kung ikaw ngayon, meron kang gustong ma-hit na goal, if ever may na-hit kang bagong goal, like nagkaroon ka ng first 50,000 mo, first 100,000 accumulated income mo, or first 1 million mo, first car, first house, first travel abroad, always ask yourself, what's next? Kasi the moment itatanong mo yon, for sure hindi ka magre-relax at yung tanong na yon, yun yung magdadala sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng another level ng goal mo, another level, mag-step up ka para magkaroon ka ng another level ng goal sa buhay mo. Tama or tama? At sa pag-hit mo ng another level ng goal na yan, kailangan mag-focus ka, walang atrasan, your yes must be a yes, there's no turning back, walang reservation, yung hataw talaga na patay kung patay. Right? Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan, sigurado dudulo tayong lahat. Sigurado mararating natin ang tugatog ng tagumpay. Maraming salamat everyone. God bless us all. To God be all the glory. Thank you!
Alright, Mr. Albert Hasma. Alright, congratulations and thank you, Albert. Let's have a final auto.
Yes.